Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is how to use on delay timer and off delay timer and formula to calculate the time of timer in Mitsubishi PLC. This is a lecture number 10 and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video with your friends. As we know, there are two types of the timer. One is on delay timer and second off delay timer. On delay timer will produce delay for on the output, okay, and off delay timer will produce delay for off the output, okay. This is a basic difference between on delay timer and off delay timer. But in Mitsubishi PLC there is no off delay timer. We will make on delay timer to off delay timer. So let's see on software. We will create a project FX series and PLC type FX3U and language ladder diagram. So I will make two timer, same timer I will change on delay and off delay. So first take one input for timer X01, okay, and click here and write T for timer, 0 timer address and K50 is timer value and press OK. Okay, you get a timer T0 and insert a row. I use this timer as a normally open contact T0, okay, and use a output for it 50, okay. This is a on delay timer. Let's compile it. And simulator on. Okay, this is a T0 is the on delay timer and I will on my timer by clicking the here input to on position. This is a switching on. When I switching on my input, my timer will be start to run. When this value complete to K50, this timer will be on and on the output, okay. This is a on delay timer because our output is on after this timer delay, okay. Now off this one. So same timer I will use as the off delay timer. So I will add a rung and use any input X02 in normally closed position and use timer 0 T0 as a normally closed. This is normally closed, is normally open, okay. So this was for on delay timer and this for off delay timer. So I will use another timer output Y03. So you can see this is a Y03, okay, and I want to increase the value because you can check the difference between both timers. So I can give a comment to it. This is the on delay timer and I will give this a comment. This is the off delay timer, okay, and show your comment. You can see here this is the on time timer output and this is the off delay timer output. Now I will compile my program and on the simulator. Okay, and on the your input for your timer. That time our output is off, but this time this output is on. Okay, but after completing the time, this timer on the our output or off the this output. If I show you, okay, you can see here, because first this was off, I again repeat this one. You can see here this output is on, but off delay will produce off delay. Okay, and this is the on delay. Okay, when I on my input, you can see this timer will be on and this will off. Okay, so I use same timer as the on delay and off delay, because in Mitsubishi PLC there are no separate off delay timer. You have to make off delay timer by using normally close command. Okay, let's come on the lecture. So we have studied on delay timer and off delay timer. Next one is there are different base timer available in Mitsubishi PLC. Okay, but question is raised, what is the base time? Base time, minimum time which timer can produce is called base time. Okay, minimum time of the timer is called base time. So there are different base time available in Mitsubishi PLC. Let's see on manual. This is the manual of the Mitsubishi PLC, and you can see here is timer on delay timer. Is also available 100 millisecond base time, and the timer and this one 100 millisecond, and it's for 10 millisecond, and this one 1 millisecond. Okay, so 100 millisecond timer is 192, and for 10 millisecond timer is 46, and 1 millisecond timer 256. Okay, you can use any timer according your program, and you can have to address the timer address according to timer base time. So let's come on soft over lecture. So formula to calculate the time. Okay, required time equal to base time multiply constant value. Okay, the same as we give 60k in our K70 is the constant value. So let's we want to produce 60 second time delay from 100 millisecond base timer. So we will use formula. This is a formula as I told you. So required time is 60 second delay we want to produce equal to base time, as we know timer 0 is 100 millisecond time delay. So 0.1 second equal to 100 millisecond. So I will put 0.1 second and multiply constant value. So want to calculate the constant value, so I will divide 60 by 0.1 second, so equal to 600. So we will put 600 value on 100 millisecond base time timer to get 16 second delay. So if I put here edit form, if I put 600 value, then this is a give the comment 1 minute delay. Yeah, you can see here right at 60 second delay. Okay, this is a 60 second delay timer. So compile the program and simulate the program. Okay, and now run your input. You can see timer start after 60-second delay, because this is a 100 millisecond delay timer base time. So I multiply with 600, so I will get 60-second delay, as I told you in my this example. Okay, so after 600 it will equal to 1 minute 60 seconds. You can note the value by using some stopwatch. So after 1 minute 60 seconds this output will be on and this will be off. Okay, there are multiple available, like 10 milliseconds. You can do experiment by using T200 timer, and can you produce any delay time required your program. So you can also take 1 millisecond delay timer. This depend upon you. Okay, I hope you can understand about this time setting. Okay, if you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise a question on comment box. Our team will be reply you as soon as possible. Okay, bye.